Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to graph the given functions on the same screen. We're asked how are these graphs related. So we have g of x is equal to tangent of x, y is equal to tangent inverse of x, and y is equal to x. So what we want to do here is notice three things. First of all, these two are inverses of each other. So therefore, we would expect them to be reflected over the line that we're also graphing, y equals x. Also, we have a domain restriction. And when we actually graph them, we'll see why we have this restriction put in place. So I pulled up these graphs in Desmos, and we have the graph of y equals tangent of x with the domain restriction. In red, we have the inverse tangent in blue, and you can see that they are reflected over each other across the line y equals x. And so we can see the symmetry, and this is where we say, okay, why do we have the domain restriction? Well, this is the graph of tangent without the restriction. This is not a one-to-one function. If we look at this line y equals 5, by doing the horizontal line test, we can see that it hits the line y equals 5 infinitely many times. It's not a one-to-one function, and therefore we can't have an inverse. So therefore, we restrict the domain just to negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. We only get one of these lines right here, and therefore we can create the inverse because it's one-to-one. So how are these graphs related? They are inverses of each other reflected over the line y equals x.